Hello everyone. Today we are going to do OU, ow sound words. Here you can see that there is OU sound in the word sound itself. Right? Here it is used here. Okay, OU sound words. So that is the thing we are going to do today. So the first word is house. We all live in a house, either permanent or temporary, but this is a house. Yes, and it is also an OU, ow sound word. Mouse. We all can see this small animal in our houses or somewhere outside also, right? We have seen it in the Tom and Jerry show cartoon also, right? So here it is mouse. Mouse is also an OU, ow sound word. The next is blouse. We all can see blouses like this or like this at our home. The things we call as top, ladies top, right? That is also known as a blouse, or we use blouse with saris also. So here it is. The next word is proud. When we are proud of ourselves, when we think that we are doing great and we have done something good and we feel proud about ourselves. Yes, exactly, that feeling is proud. Proud is actually a feeling, not a person, not a thing. It is a feeling. Loud. Loud is when somebody increases the volume, says something very loudly, which is very loud to hear, and we can hear it from a distance also, right? Loud. See, here's a boy who is using a speaker to make his sound a little bit more louder. Okay, the next thing is out. Either we can use it here in the game sense like cricket. Yes, a batsman gets out. Okay, and the bowling team gets his wicket. That is, and one more sense we can use it is when we go somewhere out of the house, out of the garden, out of the room, wherever, somewhere out from one place to another. All right. Yeah. So the next thing is bounce. See how this ball is bouncing, right? Bounce. So this is also an OU sound word, bounce. The next is stout. Stout is basically used for a person who is fat, either fat or has a good body build. Alright, both of these people would be called stout. The next is shout. Shout. When we shout so loudly that it can be heard from a distance. See, shout and loud are two different words. Loud is when the volume is high. Shout is when we are scolding someone. We are talking so loudly, aggressively also. When we shout, generally we shout aggressively when we are angry. Okay? The next is found. Found means somebody has found something and wants to give it back or wants to keep it, whatever. Yes, found means we have found something from somewhere which is not ours or which we have lost some time back. Okay. The next thing is a hound. Hound is basically a dog of a different breed. Hound is a breed. For example, there is German Shepherd, there is Bulldog, there is Pug, right? So there is a hound. They are very dangerous actually, where the hounds are very aggressive in nature. Okay, बहुत ही angry होते हैं. They are very angry and aggressive in nature. Hounds. The next thing is a mound. Mound is basically a pile of dirt or mud or something like that on a plain ground. Okay, on a plain ground, when we pile up some mud or some dirt, it is called a mound. The next thing is sound. Sound can be of anything. Sound can be of a fan, of a mobile phone, of water, right? Water flowing. Sound can be of a mosquito also. Sound can be of music, a movie, or anything. Sound. The next thing is round. Here you can see these all lines are moving in a round path. So this is round. Okay. It is also an OU sound word. The next thing is ground. We can have a playground. We can have normal ground with the marbles on it. Whatever we can stand on is known as a ground. Okay. The next thing, around. When we cover something from all sides in a circular manner, around. See how these children are playing around the tree or maybe trying to protect it from getting cut, right? Mountain. We all want to go to the mountain. It's very peaceful and they are very high. Mountain. There is a fountain. There's a picture of a fountain, right? We all know what a fountain is. This is a water fountain. Now, ouch. Ouch is basically an expression we give when we get wounded or we slip somewhere, right? It's an expression of getting hurt. Ouch. Like that. Couch. Couch, or we can say sofa, right? Couch is a word used for sofas also. Here is a picture of a couch on which we sit. It is generally placed in our living rooms. Okay. The next is pouch. Pouches can be of many types. These are small pouches. There can be big pouch also. Okay. We sometimes use pouch for makeup things. We sometimes use it for stationery, as we can see here in this picture, right? So, pouch. Now the next thing, count. See, here a boy and a girl are counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay, so counting. So this is also an OU sound word. So let's revise all the OU sound words which we have already done. House, mouse, blouse, proud, loud, bounce, out, stout, out, found, mound, hound, sound, round, ground, around, ouch, couch, mount, mountain, and fountain. These are all the OU sound words which we have discussed right now. There are many OU sound words other than these words also. For example, we have a word here as sound also, right? So there are many words other than these also. Okay, we have discussed these 22 words so that you can understand how we pronounce these words and what these words actually mean. We will be back with new type of sound words in the next video. Thank you very much.